Happy Sunday! I'm on my way to an open house. And I was somewhere a couple days ago where somebody said to me, as a joke, God, you're an open house monster. That I'm always doing open houses. Well, you know what? I am. I gotta tell you, I am. And there's a particular reason. I really feel, and I want to tell you where the benefit for the sellers are. There's so many benefits. People who are looking to buy a house often are in the beginning, middle, or end stages, and they don't want to commit to an agent. They don't want to commit to that relationship and feel the pressure that they have to buy something. So what do people do? They start going out and clarifying what they like, what they don't, views, everything, okay? In Sun City West, Sun City Grand, I have sold 3 homes from people walking through open houses. So I know that they work. And I feel it's my duty to represent my sellers by physically being at the open house, or Dolores being at the open house, or Steve, or somebody who works with us that can really give us a sense on correct pricing and everything. So number one, buyers walk in and they buy. We all know that. They clarify, figure out what they want, what they don't. And neighbors. I want to talk about neighbors. I love neighbors. I always try to have, if I can, if the timing works, I always try to have an open house for neighbors because, neighbors are sitting at a restaurant, at a dinner party. Oh my God, I saw this house. It's so beautiful. And before you know it, that's how they bought it. In fact, one house that I sold representing a buyer and sat at the open house on West Boulder Vista. I sold it to a buyer who a neighbor walked in, and the neighbor called a friend and said, I think I found your house. So there's a tremendous amount. I hope this entertained you. I hope it gave you a sense. If you're listing your house to sell, let that agent do open houses and get an agent that is willing, and you ask them in the listing appointment, how many open houses are you physically committed to being at my house? I hope you guys have a great Sunday.